Shout out to Bobbi Boss for inviting me to the 2023 Boss Braider competition. I had to pick up a mystery bag, and this what was inside. Okay, so this is what we got to work with, y'all. I don't know what I'm about to do, but it's the new Locs Easy Grips by Bobbi Boss. So we about to get into it. You ready, girl? Ready. So the rules were to use the products in a mystery box to create any fun and trendy style. So I started with a heart because, you know, the girls love the hearts and it's trendy, right? Okay, so let's get into this install. First, you want to start by creating a plait with a 3-strand method, and we're gonna braid down about 6 or 7 times just to make sure it's secure, and then we're gonna add the lock. I'm gonna do this by just sliding it onto one of the 3 strands that I have from the braid and continue to braid down just until I feel like it's secured. Once the hair is successfully attached to the plait, I'm going to begin to use the other hair to wrap it around until I run out of hair. I usually wrap the hair around the base of the plait about 2 to 3 times just so I can know it's extra secure and it won't fall out, and then continue to wrap it down the entire lock until I have no more hair left. I use the same technique to attach the lock to the heart, and now I'm just gonna let you guys watch the video and stop talking. This was so much fun. Shout out to my model, shout out to Bobbi Boss, and shout out to you for watching this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.